Bisa Dimas. Smile.
Good. Everybody good? It is good? Good. Okay, so all divers, I need your attention because I give you some information about the first diver in San Miguel, okay? All divers, hello, good morning. So by the way, my name is Miguel and this is my buddy, Russell. So for the first dive, hello ma'am.
Hi. What's your name?
For the first dive here in San Miguel, okay? So WF, like the equalization. So for the first dive here, our maximum is for 25 meters.
Pare ang pang dali. Pare.
Divers here in San Miguel only for small stop. Good for macro dive. This is a seahorse.
Ikaw dyan, Jim. Hindi na ilang si Milvin.
Alright. Okay, then control your buoyancy, okay? Control your buoyancy. Do not pick or touch the corals, okay? Control your buoyancy. The diver.
Dong, ganyan dong.
Stay in bed, okay?
Kili-kili di.
Sarong tissue certification.
Dong, smile.
Tissue certification, advance. Yes. And you, ma'am? How many types of that?
35.
Okay, sir. Stay, okay? Okay. You, ma'am?
Open water.
Sudah pare.
Your last dive, ma'am?
Oh, when?
Last
Last week?
You, ma'am? Can water also?
pare.
Okay, stay your body, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am? Stay to Russell.
Alright.
Okay? So divers,
Who will be my buddy?
don't prepare for your body. Don't prepare for your body.
Ang mga gusto ko siyang pala magturo-taman niyo.
Always stay your body, okay? And all divers always follow. Don't prepare for the group. Divers, enjoy your dive here in San Miguel, okay?
Iwag ka.
Don't panic. You can enjoy. Okay?
Oo.
One by one, jump or
Oh, ready.
Sige din agad.
Ready.
Si Pading Milvin.
Kamu yan oh, gwapo yun.
Welcome to my vlog. Sinong channel yan ayo?
by the way, my name is Rain. Rain, gawi ka magkita natin.
Lagi na tabi. Sunod na diver. Ang dive master tabi yan pa. Sa itaas.
Hindi ka magparatarong ba sa ano dyan ha? Hindi ko maraw. Tata. Hindi ko ini-edit.
Yan yung tabi oh. Gwapo man na dive master. Available.
Bata hindi ko yung tank sounds.
Pwede mo sa sounds. Sige na.
Why?
Oy, sala yan, sala. No. Yeah. Madali ka san.
It's fine. What do I do? Then I just hold your mask, lay your head, go back.
Yan, wala.
Hold one hand here on the regulator.
One by one.
Yes. 1, 2, 3.
What is
Oh yeah, that was something, all right.
What is certification? You have a license?
Well, that's one way to start. I'm open water.
No, the other one.
Oy, kang dyan, uy.
Good instructor, ah.
Did you show your sticker?
More backward, ma'am. Excuse me. More backward. More. Yeah, okay.
We've never had.
Hold your mask. Okay. Ma'am,
Wala yung instructor ng turukan.
hold your mask.
Okay, go.
Go. Tabi. Parang Russell tabi yan. Guwapo yan.
Good.
Sarap na yung tabi, mas. Yan tabi yan. Oh, oh. Yan tabi. Paano tabi? Mababa na tabi yan. Oh, yan na. Ano tabi yan? Guwapo tabi yan. Up.
Face it down. Face it down. You have to face it down. Face it down in the water. No, face it down in the water. Face it down.
Oh, yan natin. Naribok na tabi yan. Naribok. Tabi master mo. Hold your mask. Yan. Up. Ano po tabi? Suicide. So, talagang dive master na. Wala tabi yan. Masulog na sa inyong kalo.
Okay, guys, try your weights. Try to descend.
Kapag tabi, nakakuha yan upat na manta na kailing.
What we call the buoyancy check. Deflate. And then if you
Doang.
feel good,
Kasapa, doang ano, butanding. Yung tabi, nag-itsura na. Ang mas niya, oh. Ayan na, iling, oh.
She's bubbling a lot.
Yan ang tabi, nagsulog na.
We go back to the surface or we stay down?
Yeah, back in the surface.
Ayan, tabi.
Yes.
Ano, primo, pwede ito muna na eh.
Muna pa yun, tabi.
Sa pula.
Lagi mo, tsura na ni